find the sum of the first 11th term. Find the sum of the first 11th term. So don't forget some information that you have found. All right. So how do you find the sum of the nth term of a geometric progression? So we are going to use the formula. So remember, we have two formulas depending on the value of our common ratio. So I'll write the two formulas and explain where the difference is. So sum of the nth term is equal to A, open bracket, 1 minus R to the power n, close bracket, over 1 minus R. That's the formula we use for finding the sum of the nth term for the geometric progression. Then, this formula is only applicable if our common ratio is less than 1. Okay? This formula is applicable if our common ratio is less than 1. By less than 1, we are talking about 0 going to the negatives, or any improper fraction, because improper fractions is less than 1, right? Okay? Or any, not improper, or any proper fraction, sorry. It can be 1 over 2 is less than 1, all right? Or 4 over 5 is less than 1, okay? So every proper fraction, you use this formula. Any less than means that 0 going down. But now, our common ratio, we found that it was 2. Our common ratio is 2. So it's not less than, it's greater than 1. So which formula do we use? We use this formula instead. There's no difference. The only difference is that they interchange. Our R to the power n comes here and 1 goes there. Same here. We have R minus 1. That's the formula we use. So we have been told that we should find the sum of the 11th term. So sum of the 11th term of a geometric progression is equal to, our first term is 4. Let me use this bracket. Then our common ratio is 2. Then our n is 11 minus 1 over common ratio is 2 minus 1. All right? Then the sum of the 11th term is equal to 4. Then we work on what is in the bracket. So to be 2. All right? 2 to the power 11, right? Minus 1. 2 to the power 11 minus 1. We are getting that 2047. All right? So in the bracket you have 2047. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. So if we are dividing by 1, it's just that our numerator. If it is 4 over 1, it is just 4. It is 7 over 1, it is just 7. That's what I mean. So if we are dividing 2 minus 1, we get a 1. So we have this. Then the sum of the 11th term is equal to what we have just found. We are going to just say multiply by answer multiplied by 4. That 4. Then if we say equals, we are getting 8,188. 8,188. This is the sum of the 11th term of this geometric progression. All right, Tilly, hi my friend. The next question is under, what topic is this?